Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening to
evening,
all.
sir.
Good evening. Today I will start circles. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is circle? How to define circle?
Sir, a curve for which
Hmm.
the distance from the center is always constant.
Okay. Next. Center. What is center?
Infinite number of points.
Infinite number of points in a plane.
Points lying at the same distance.
O- Okay.
Yeah,
What
it's
is
lying at the
center?
same distance
Ah,
from another point in a plane.
okay. What is center?
Sir, center is the point within the circle for which
Hmm.
all the points are
Hmm.
equidistant from each other.
Okay. Okay. Radius.
Sir, the distance between the center and the point on the circle is radius.
Okay. Standard equation of a circle. Standard equation of a circle. Let us take x-axis, y-axis, and then take circle. See, let P be the point. Let P be the point on the circle. P be the point on the circle, and C be the center. Join these 2 points. Join these two, and fixed point C H comma K. H comma K, and P is the coordinates. P x comma y is the coordinates. CP is equal to R, right? CP is equal to R. CP square is equal to R square. CP square, distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points, what is the formula? X2
Sir,
minus,
sir, you need to let someone in.
okay, okay. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to R square. Now what is the points? X1, y1, x2, y2. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square. This is the equation of circle whose center is h comma k and having radius R. Now down. This is called equation of circle. equation of circle whose center h comma k and radius r. And center h comma k, center h comma k is equal to 0 comma 0. Center, suppose center h comma k 0 comma 0. Equation of circle, equation of circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. X square plus y square is equal to r square.
Sir, is it 0 comma r?
0 comma 0. Center h comma k 0 comma 0. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 2 minutes, sir. Don't rub.
Okay, okay, okay. And explanation also write. Let P be the point on the circle and C is the center with join these 2 points. Join these 2 points and C is the fixed point. We say h comma k. And P is the coordinates x comma y. Completed? Central form. Central form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Expand. X minus h whole square, x square plus h square minus 2xh plus y square plus k square minus 2yk is equal to r square. X square plus y square minus 2xh minus 2yk is equal to plus, send the side, plus h square plus k square is equal to r square.
So that's central form.
Central form. Okay, x square, send this side. R square also minus r square is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Let us say minus 2h. Minus 2h in place of 2g, right? Minus 2k. Minus 2k. Minus 2k in place of 2f, right? 2f. And h square plus k square minus r square is equal to c, right? In place of h square plus k square minus r square is equal to, in place of c, right? Now x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is called standard form of the circle. Standard form of the circle. This is called standard standard form of the circle. Now first one, center. Center is equal to minus coefficient of x upon 2 minus coefficient of x upon 2 and minus coefficient of y upon 2.
So what have you considered minus 2k as?
Minus this one. Minus 2k, 2f. 2f.
Okay.
2f is equal to minus g comma minus f. Center minus g comma minus f. And radius, second one, radius is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c. This is called standard form of a circle.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is Asmi.
Ashmi, today is first class, right?
Yes, sir. With you, it's my first class. Yeah.
Okay.
Your classes before exams.
Okay.
Sir,
Already Skyclancy is completed.
yeah, sir. I know. I will catch up with it.
Hmm.
I'll watch the recorded classes. Sir, I wanted to ask a doubt. Sir, can you explain what did you do after substituting minus 2h and minus 2k?
This one,
After that, what did you do?
x square plus y square in place of minus 2h. Minus 2h. 2g, right?
Okay. Sir, but
Minus
why did you
2k.
substitute?
Minus 2k. Then 2f, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, h square plus k square minus r square in place of c, right? That is standard form of a circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f plus c is equal to 0.
Sir,
Sir, but why did you substitute them with these letters? Why did you substitute them? Why did you substitute minus 2h
That
with
is standard
2g?
equation of the circle.
Okay, sir.
So what's the radius you wrote?
Radius is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. Completed?
Sir, could you just tell the, can you read out the radius formula? I can't see the board.
Radius is equal to under root g square. G square plus f square minus c. Radius r is equal to
So minus c is under the root, right?
under root.
Thank you, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Next, examples. The equation, first problem example. The equation of a circle whose center at 2 comma 3 having radius 5, having radius is 5. Equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now x minus h x 2 x minus 2 whole square y minus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square. Now open x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 25. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, 6y 9, 13 plus 13 minus 25 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the circle. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Center 2 comma 3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. The equation of unit circle. The equation of the unit circle whose center is at -3, 4 is equation of the unit circle. Equation of unit circle. What is that? Unit circle?
Radius is 1.
Yes, correct. Radius is 1 unit. Center h comma k is equal to -3, 4 and radius is equal to 1. Now substituting x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 1. Now x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 1. Now x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y 16 25 minus 1 plus 24 is the standard form of the circle.
Sir?
Tell.
Sir, this equation is not a function, right?
Not a?
Sir, this equation is not a function.
Not a function. Radius of the circle, x square plus y square minus 8x plus 10y plus 41 is equal to 0. Standard equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now 2g is equal to minus 8 and 2f is equal to 10. G is equal to minus 4 and f is equal to 5. Then radius is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. Then substituting c is equal to 41. C is equal to 40.
So 0.
R is equal to 0 represents point circle. r is equal to 0 represents, note down, point circle. Next, find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle with center minus a minus b and radius under root a square minus b square. Under root a square minus b square.
That's -4 or -9.
Which one?
Center. To the center.
Center minus a minus b.
Oh, okay. Right.
Minus a minus b. Today also Keshav absent.
Yes, sir. He is actually unwell.
Huh?
Sir, he is actually not well.
Okay. Okay. Completed?
Yes, sir.
All of you complete. Next problem.
-6, right?
So what's the answer?
Answer x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus 2b square is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Next, find the equation of the circle with the center 1/2, 1/4 and radius 1/12. One upon 2 comma 1/4 center, radius 1/12. completed. All of you complete. Ananya, complete Ananya.
So can you hear me?
Ah, yes, yes. Completed Ananya.
Sir,
Ah, tell Ananya. Hello. Hello.
sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Tell me. Hello. All of you complete. Nagabhushan.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Next.
Sir, Ananya is asking you to let her in.
Ashmi.
Sir, Ananya is asking you to let her into the class. She has requested.
All of you complete or not? I will explain. Hello, Ashmi, tell me.
Nothing, sir.
Ananya. Ananya, are you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me now?
Ah, yes, yes. Completed.
Sir, just a minute. I'm going to finish.
Next. Next concept. Equation of a circle equation of a circle when the ends of the diameter ends of the diameter ends of the diameter, the equation of the circle the equation of the circle join join the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. x1 y1 and x2 y2 as diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Proof. This is the statement. Proof. It's a circle, center O,
So what is the heading?
heading equation of a circle when the ends of the diameter,
Basically, when ends of the points of ends of the diameter is given.
equation of the circle when the ends of the diameter are given. See, listen. Let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 be the points, and let P x comma y. Let P x comma y be any point on the circle and join AP and PB then AP is called ends of the diameter. Then AB is called ends of the diameter or extremities of a diameter. Ends of a diameter or extremities of a diameter. Angle APB, angle APB in a semicircle. Angle APB in
90
a
degrees.
semicircle is equal to one right angle. AP is perpendicular to PB. AP is perpendicular to PB. Angle APB being in a semicircle. Semicircle is equal to the one right angle. That is AP is perpendicular to PB. Slope of AP find. Slope of AP and slope of BP. Slope of AP y minus y1 by x minus x1, y minus y1 by x minus x1 and y minus y2 by x minus x2. Slope of BP and slope of AP. Now,
So what have you written there? Angle APB
APB being in a semicircle is equal to the one right angle. Right angle means M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Slope M1, slope M2. Slope M1 y minus y1 upon x minus x1 into y minus y2 upon x minus x2 is equal to minus 1. One right angle. Right angle m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Then x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Which
Sir?
is the equation of required circle.
Sir, if we don't remember the formula, we can find point O, no, sir.
Oh. Ends of the diameter important. Diagram explanation also right. Let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 be the points, and let P x comma y be any point on the circle, and join AP and PP. Then AB is called ends of the diameter. Diagram explanation also right. Extremities of a diameter or ends of the diameter, both are same. Okay, completed. All of you complete?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Risha, complete? Risha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next problem. The equation of the circle, find the equation of the circle, drawn on the line joining minus 1 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 4 as diameter. As diameter. Now required equation. x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Now substituting here x1 y1, x2 y2. Now x minus x1 minus 1 into x minus x2 3 plus y minus y1 2 y minus y2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now x plus 1 into x minus 3 plus y minus 2 into y plus 4 is equal to 0. After that, multiply x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 plus y square plus 4y minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Then final answer x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Next. Find the equation of a circle. Find the equation of a circle passing through the origin, passing through the origin and making intercepts and making intercepts 4 comma 5 on the axis coordinates, axis of coordinates,
So what does it say after passing through the?
passing through the origin, passing through the origin. Passing through the origin and making intercepts 4 comma 5 on the axis of coordinates, on the axis of coordinates.
Over here, we will get two equations, right?
Equation of circle passing through the origin, passing through the origin, passing through the origin. and x-axis point a comma 0 and y-axis point 0 comma b and center 0 and this distance is 5 4 5.
Can
Correct
it not be
diagram?
5 and 4? Like,
Diagram is correct. Okay,
so
okay.
can
4
it not
comma
be,
0. Okay, 4 comma 0 and 5 0 comma 5.
so it can also be 5 comma 0, right?
5 comma 0 na?
No, can it be, because it's not specified that the
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem.
use the x in, you know.
Let intercept be, this is A and this is point is B. OA is equal to 4 and intercepts OB is equal to 5. Then coordinates of A and B 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 5 respectively. Then angle AOB, angle AOB is equal to 90. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. AB is a diameter. Equation of circle, right? AB is a diameter. Then equation of circle. Equation of circle, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Then substituting. This is the answer. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 5y is equal to 0.
Sir,
Nagbhushan.
sir, so a circle touching the origin has a C value 0, no, sir?
Sir, all of you complete?
Sir, aren't we supposed to get two different equations?
Two
different equations.
Tell me, Manshu, I can't understand.
So like if we consider point A as 4, 0 and point B as 0, 5, we will get the equation that you wrote. But sir, if we consider point A to be 5, 0 and point
Okay,
B to be 0, 4, we'll get a different equation, right?
Different answer?
Yes, sir.
Different answer is coming?
Yes, sir.
And intercepts?
Sir, here the intercepts are not mentioned, which is x-intercept, which is y-intercept, no, sir. That is why we can take 4 as x-intercept or as y-intercept.
Anyone is correct. This is
Yes,
not competitive level, no? PU level. No, both are answer is correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next. Very, very important CBSE. Board examination. Find the equation of the circle. Find the Find the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle passing through the points. Passing through the points. Very, very important. 4, 1 and 6, 5. And whose center is whose center is on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16. 4x plus y is equal to 16. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 4, 1 and 6, 5, and whose center is on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16.
Sir,
Nagbhushan.
sir, can you explain it? I'm not able to understand it.
Okay. Anyone?
Sir,
Himanshu?
can you explain?
Himanshu?
Sir.
Okay. I will explain, Bhargav. Himanshu.
Yes, sir.
Completed,
So first we need to prove that the points are on the line, right?
on the circle.
They are on the circle, right, sir? But do we like to prove that the equation of the points is 4x plus y is equal to 16?
Okay. And anyone complete? Ananya? Ananya, are you hearing me? Ananya?
Sir.
Completed?
Hello, sir.
Tell. Ananya. Network problem. Ashmi?
Yes, sir.
Complete,
No, sir. I was trying it. I'm not getting.
Okay. Thank you. Anavadya? Priyanka? Yashes?
So I didn't understand the question, sir.
You didn't understand. Okay, next. Risha?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Completed? No. Okay, listen. Let the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is equation 1. Let us take. Now circle passes through 2 points. Circle passes through points 4, 1 and 6, 5. Now here substituting here. 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now open 4 square plus h square minus 4h. 4h, no. 16. 16 plus h square minus 8h plus k square plus 1 minus 2k is equal to r square. This is equation 2. Then next one more point substituting. 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now 36 plus h square minus 12h, right? Plus 25 plus k square minus 10k is equal to r square. This is equation 3. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood? Okay. Center of the circle lies on 4x plus y is equal to 16. Center h comma k. Center lies on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16. Now 4h plus k is equal to 16. This is equation 4. Understood? Nagabhushan?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Next, on subtracting 3 and 2.
Sir.
Hello?
Sir.
Marco.
Sir, can you explain the third equation once?
Third equation? This
Yes,
one?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Now open 6 minus h whole square.
Oh, okay.
6 plus h square minus 12h plus 25 plus k square minus 10k is equal to r square. That is equation 3.
Okay.
Then center is on the line. Center h comma k take. H comma k lies on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16. Then in place of xy, 4h plus k is equal to 16. That is equation 4. On subtracting 3 from 2. On subtracting 3 from 2. Subtracting 3 from 2. We get solve. This is h square plus k square minus 12h minus 10k plus 61 is equal to r square. This one h square plus k square minus 8h minus 2k plus 17 is equal to r square. Now 3 from 2. 4h plus 8k is equal to 44, right? 4h plus 8k is equal to 44, right? Subtracting 3
44.
from 2.
Yes, sir. 44.
44. Yes, 4h plus 8k is equal to 44. This is equation 5. Okay. Next, on subtracting 4 from 5, 4 and 5. On subtracting 4 and 5, subtracting 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Subtracting 4 and 5.
So we will get k is equal to 4 and h is equal to
K is equal to 4, right?
yes, sir.
K is equal to 4 and h? Any equation substituting.
3, sir.
K is equal to h is equal to 3, right?
Yes, sir.
H is equal to 3. On subtracting 4 and 5, k is equal to 4 and h is equal to 3. Then h and k values substituting in equation 2. In equation 2, h and k values substituting in equation 2. Then r square is equal to 4 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square is equal to r square. R square is equal to 10, right? R square is equal to 10. All of you understood? Risha,
Yes, sir.
understood? Ashmi,
Yes, sir, I understood.
okay. Next, Bhargav, understood Bhargav?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Himanshu,
Yes, sir.
okay. Priyanka,
Yes, sir.
okay. Sri Lakshmi,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay. Yashas, now required
Understood,
equation of
sir.
this. Okay. Then final answer, right? The required equation of the circle is the required equation of a circle. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to r square. R square is 10. Then x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square minus plus 16 minus 8y is equal to 10. Then final answer x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 25 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. That is the final answer. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. Same problem, 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 1 and line x minus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0. Minus 11. Same problem. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 1 and whose center on the line x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0.
Or is this homework?
Huh? Tell me, Himanshu.
Sir, is this homework?
Not homework, do. Time is there, no? 10 minutes. Remaining only two concepts is there. Position of the point with respect to the circle.
Sir?
And only two concepts left. And next class completed in CBSE. Position of the point with respect to the circle and the equation of the circle in special cases. In NCERT textbook, only standard form of a circle is given. Completed? H value 7 by 2, K value minus 5 by 2, R square 65 by 2.
Sir, is the answer x square minus 7x plus
X
y
square
square
plus Y square minus 7X plus
plus
5Y
5y minus
minus
14?
14. Himanshu completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nagabhushan.
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
Okay. Anavadya. Complete, Anavadya?
Doing, sir.
Doing. Okay. Ashmi?
Sir, even I'm doing it.
Priyanka, complete, Priyanka?
Doing it, sir. Just a minute.
Sir, is there any shortcut to solve these questions?
Shortcuts. CBSE no shortcuts, no?
So like, is there any?
Huh?
Like, is there any shortcut? Like,
Shortcuts.
not for exams.
In competitive level, shortcuts is there.
Okay.
So these types of question would come for 4 marks or 6 marks, right?
This one is 6 marks.
Oh, okay, sir.
6 marks question. Most important. 6 marks. No circle chapter in CBSE. This question is most important question. And the position of a point with respect to circle. That one also, that concept also important.
Sir, is this also important question?
No. Find the equation of the circle with the center 2, 2, which passes through the point 4, 5. Last problem, small problem. Find the equation of the circle with the center 2, 2, which passes through the point 4, 5.
Done, sir.
Done, na? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is minus 5 is equal to 0. Correct? Nagabhushan?
Yes, sir.
Himanshu?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, next Aryan. Aryan?
Doing, sir.
Okay. Ashmi, complete Ashmi?
Sir, even I'm doing the sum.
Okay, okay. Priyanka?
Even I'm doing, sir.
Risha?
Sir, I'm doing.
Very big chapter in competitive level. Nagabhushan?
Yes, sir.
Very big chapter, circles. Competitive level.
Okay, sir.
Competitive level, circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. These 4 chapters, most important chapters. 2 questions is coming. 2 questions.
So for board level, the chapter is over.
Board level? No, not complete. Today, first chapter is conic section. First chapter is started, no? Circles. Second chapter is parabola. Third chapter is ellipse. Fourth chapter is hyperbola.
So they are a part of the boards, right? The boards portions, right?
Yes. Board questions only.
Done, sir.
Done, na? Okay. Time is over, no? And one homework problem I will give. One problem.
Sir, could you solve this?
Which one? This one.
Yes, sir.
See, equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Center 2, 2, substituting x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square. That is equation 1. Since equation 1 passes through, point 4, 5. 4, 5. 4 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 2 whole square is equal to r square. R square is equal to, then find r square. R square 13, huh? 4 minus
Yes, sir. The square is 13.
13, huh? R square is equal to 13.
Sorry, 12, sir, not 13.
Aryan?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Time is over.
So what is the answer?
Answer, see, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. equation of the circle with center 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2 substituting in place of h comma k, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square. Then since circle 1 passes through point 4 comma 5, then substituting in place of x comma y, 4 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square is equal to r square. R square is equal to 13. Then substituting given circle, required circle, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 13. Then x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. That is the final answer. Final equation. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Good
Thank
night.
you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Good night, sir.
Okay, thank you.